Before starting the machine, we can see the cover on the radiator tank and open it to see if the coolant is filled in place. Then check whether the diesel engine oil level is between the upper and lower scale lines. Check whether the screw oil position is between the upper and lower scale lines. When the power is turned on, the fuel of the diesel engine will be displayed on the control panel. Turn on the battery power at this position. This is the panel of a national to machine. Switch from power off state to power on state. After starting, the speed will be displayed. After work, the exhaust temperature will be actually displayed. Here is the oil pressure. Here is the exhaust pressure. When the machine is running normally, we need to observe these four parameters. Here is the working water temperature of the radiator. The initial water temperature is 25 degrees Celsius. Here is the amount of oil in the diesel engine. Fill it with diesel before starting the engine. If it cannot be started at one time, you can use a manual pump to remove the air. Next, let's take a look at the startup steps of the machine. After checking all parameters, press the start button, and the diesel engine will start working when the power is on. When the pressure speed stabilizes, and the water temperature is between 40 degrees Celsius and 50 degrees Celsius, then push the button to enter the running loading state. Under operating loading conditions, the pressure will reach the rated pressure. For example, 650 to 18 will reach 1.8 MPa. When we finish the work and do not use the machine, and need to shut it down, first put the running state back to the starting state. After the speed is stable, move this button to the shutdown state to complete the shutdown. If you perform maintenance after shutdown, wait until the temperature of some working parts has cooled down and the discharge pressure has been discharged before performing inspection or maintenance operations. After all work is completed, the power on state should be returned to the power off state. Then the battery switch should be turned off to prevent leakage. When not working,